For years I've been busting my rear to kill a turkey, but he ain't dead. And years I've been trying to call him off the limb, but he ain't played. When I blow every dime I make on the fangled camo, the wallet flies open as I step into Bass Pro. And this old broken heart of mine is all I got to show. And anyway, this turkey man ain't got no bird today. Oh, the turkey man ain't got no bird today. A turkey man ain't got no birds to play. At daylight I called my fanny off and he walked away. And the turkey man ain't got no bird today. Well, I paid for a Super Mag, 12 gauge as a matter of fact, to blow them over out to 60 yards. And I paid for a tighter choke, about drove myself broke, and it ain't worked. I starved myself to death by the latest turkey vest. I keep my budget wide for every turkey call in sight. And until that bird flops on the ground, I'll sell everything I own. And anyway, a turkey man ain't got no bird today. Lord, a turkey man ain't got no bird today. This turkey man ain't got no birds to play. At daylight I called my fanny off and he walked away. This turkey man ain't got no bird today. This turkey man ain't got no bird today. Better luck next weekend.